What's up, guys? It's me, April Ash Gaming here. Today I'm going to be testing my paper airplane skills. I'm not testing exactly. And I'm not showing you my face because I do not want to do a face reveal right now because I'm going to hit 1,000 subs before I do it. So first of all, I got my airplane, as you can see. This is my friend right here. Nope, I'm not showing you his face either. No. I'm just going to blur her face. I'm just going to blur it, so... That's his face. That's his face right there. And we're just gonna be throwing this airplane. So, yeah, ready? Oh, that was not that. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Oh, I think that was pretty good. Ouch! The stick almost hit me and almost got a splinter. I'll just play it again. Ooh! That was a good one. All right, now it's my friend. Now it's my friend Ahmed's turn. Okay, I'm gonna give it.
Smack it after I finish. I'm gonna smack it.
No, don't smack it. I'll just give this to you. Take it and I'll throw it. Throw it. Oh, that was not. Got him. Ready? Woo. That was okay. It wasn't the best throw. I throw better though.
Let's go smack it.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna smack it.
I'm gonna smack it.
That wasn't good.
Smack it?
Okay. Okay. Don't smack it. No. Ready? Ooh!
That is a high one.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe that. Did you see that? That was so high. Just the paper airplane right here. It's a savage. Ooh! Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just wait, don't smack it. Give me one more chance. One more chance and my friend is gonna smack this thing with a stick. So, oh! Okay, my friend is gonna smack it now with a stick. Okay. Oh, that was not good. Wait, give me give it to me. The sun is coming out, so maybe there will be less wind. I don't know. Look at this sun. It's too bright. I'm going to fly. Ooh! I wish there was no wind. It's innocent.
She's not innocent at all.
Ahmed, stop. He's innocent. Okay, fine. I'm gonna throw. Let's go. Ready? Wow. The wind is making it so bad. As you can see, I am wearing shorts. Even though it's like 30 degrees out. 30. I didn't say 30. Ahmed, give it to me.
She's not innocent.
The airplane is a she? Why are you ripping? Look at the damage. Wait, Ahmed, guys, look. Look at the damage he made. Rip this airplane. I don't care anymore. I can't even fly properly. Well, anyways, guys, that was my video today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day. April out.